Warm greetings to you, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new here and you like to learn about the medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica, then consider subscribing like it's totally free and turn on your post notifications. That way you won't miss our next upload. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the medicinal uses of a plant that you've probably seen before growing in your yard or along roadsides, but perhaps you thought it was just another obnoxious weed. It's a plant that is sometimes called poor man's pepper. Now, if you're curious as to why it was given that name, pop some of the seed pods into your mouth and trust me, you won't have to ask why. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so this is the plant that we're going to be talking about today. We Jamaicans commonly refer to it as wild peppergrass, but in other parts of the world, people commonly refer to it as peppergrass, Virginia pepperweed, and poor man's pepper, among many other common names. Its Latin name is Lepidium Virginicum, and it's a part of the mustard family, which happens to be a very large family that also includes plants that you're probably familiar with, like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and brown mustard, among numerous other plants. It can be found growing all over the world, both in temperate and tropical areas. It can grow to a height of about 20 to 70 centimeters tall. These are the flowers. They are tiny and they're white and they grow on racemes. These are the seed pods. They look like fish scales and they grow below the flowers. One plant can produce hundreds of these seed pods. They are edible and they have a very delicious, pungent and peppery flavor, but they are best eaten when they are green because they will eventually change to a brown color. And when they change to that color, they lose most of their flavor. People either eat them raw or they add them to their soups or stews. The leaves have sharply toothed margins and they are alternately arranged on the stem. When you look at the plant, you're going to notice that the leaves at the top are small, but they get larger towards the bottom of the plant. People also eat the young leaves too. They eat them raw or cooked, and they are nutritious. They contain protein, also vitamin A, and they're a very good source of vitamin C. There are different species of peppergrass, and they are pretty much used in a similar way. This is what a young plant looks like. So basically it starts out as a low rosette of deeply cut basal leaves with vertical growth, and then it seeds. The parts of the plant that are used to make medicine are the seeds, leaves, and roots. The plant is said to be a diuretic, so this means that it will cause you to urinate a lot. It is also said to be good for rheumatic pain, and people use it to help them with diarrhea, dysentery, renal, and liver diseases, as well as abdominal pains. The leaves are said to be detoxifying, and it's said that people have used them for diabetes, vitamin C deficiency, and to help them to get rid of intestinal worms. People use the leaves to make tea, which they use for poison ivy rash and scurvy. Babies are sometimes given a sweetened decoction of the plant to help them with colic, to treat a type of respiratory infection known as croup. People apply a poultice made from the leaves to the chest. The seed is said to be useful for things like coughs and asthma with a lot of phlegm, edema, which is a type of swelling caused by too much fluid trapped in the body's tissues, low urine output, and liquid that accumulates in the thoracoabdominal cavity. The root is said to be useful for an excess buildup of mucus in the respiratory tract, and people make a poultice from bruised roots of the plant, which they use to draw out blisters. That's it for now, beautiful people. I hope you found the information valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.